Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile to digital creator mode. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get into it. So first, what you need to do is you need to ensure that your Facebook is completely up to date. So head over to the Play Store, do a search for Facebook, and make any updates that you need to do because this digital creator option is very new. So I want to make sure that you've got the latest version of Facebook so you're not missing out. Next, once you're in Facebook, tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the page. And then under where your name is, tap on See Your Profile. Then next, tap on the three dots on the right hand corner of the page. Then under the Profile Settings menu, the last one down is Turn on Professional Mode. So if you tap on that one, so you'll see it says Turn on Professional Mode. Add new tools to your profile so you can grow as a creator on Facebook. You can get paid for your content, see content insights, and let more people follow you. So all you need to do is tap Turn On, but you can actually turn off professional mode at any time. So tap on Turn On. And here you just need to go through the settings, finish all of them. So you need to add a bio, you need to add details about yourself. And once you've completed that, professional mode will then be set up. And that's all it takes to set up professional mode on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.